Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly migrate a website over to hosting or hosting. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your hosting account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what my hosting account looks like, and here's my dashboard. And the idea is you would want to navigate to the top left corner of the screen until you find the tabs for the hosting configuration. So there's home, there's websites, there's emails, there's domains, there's VPS, which is for gaming, and billing. Now from here, you guys would want to click on websites. And I currently don't have the plan for this purchase, but the idea is once you're on this page right here, you should have an option right away to transfer a website. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. Basically follow this path right here. So open up the website tab, as you can see. So open up websites, and there should be an option under add a website to migrate it. And from here, you would copy the relevant information pertaining to the website, like the domain name, the name servers, the IP, the port, and so on. And that's honestly all it takes. So yeah, thank you. That's a video. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.